Today we're taking a look at a 2008 Formula 353 Fastech here at Grand Sports Center in Lake in the Hills, Illinois. Beautiful custom paint. Excellent condition all the way through. Well-opted boat. This one's got twin Mercury Racing 525 EFI. Bravo XR drives. Heavily serviced boat. Completely rebuilt engines about 50 hours ago. Upgraded cams. Whipple tune. Hardin Marine stainless exhaust headers, new transom assemblies, and refreshed drives. Definitely maintained with an open checkbook. This one sits on an updated Manning triple axle trailer. It's a 2018, gorgeous, fits the boat perfect. Matching custom paint on the deck. Docking lights. Stainless rubrail, stainless deck rails. Deep V stepped hull design. Windshield with a polished frame. Trailer's got a toolbox as well as polished wheels. Electric over hydraulic brakes. And a power jack. Great looking transom. Got 4-blade stainless props. Hydraulic steering. K-plane trim tabs. Gorgeous sunpad. Stitching is perfect. Stereo remote. Rear deck rails. Flip up storage compartment. There's your plug-in Shorepower, as well as a wash-down shower. We've got power drop-down McLeod bolster seats, rear bench seat, removable cockpit carpet, polished speaker covers. We've got side gunnel storage, passenger glove box with a vanity. Polished Divorcee controls, ship-to-shore radio, beautiful carbon fiber dash panels, Mercury Smartcraft, GPS chart plotter, got a compass. Going to take a look at the deck here. A lot of shine. Custom paint goes over the deck hatches. Very nicely done. Stepping down into the cabin. Got a nice salon seating area. Removable table. Upholstery is excellent. Galley countertop with sink. Got a fridge. CD changer. There's your Kenwood CD stereo. Got a V-berth sleeper up front. On the left there, you've got fill-in cushions for the salon area. You also have throw pillows, snap-on cockpit cover, a full mooring cover, and you've got your Formula owner's bag with manuals. Large vanity mirror. Enclosed head, vacuum flush potty. Step back up into the cockpit. You have a push-button power engine hatch. Battery switches are under the rear bench seat. The engine hatch goes up smooth and quiet. Beautiful engine room. The hatch is mirrored underneath. Come back up to the helm. There's your Garmin GPS chart plotter. You see 665 total hours on this boat. Power adjustable seat bases on the bolsters. We've also got the McLeod adjustable in-floor step pads. We'll do both sides. Drop down bolsters. Power adjustable footrests. Beautiful blue motors. Polished stainless exhaust. See the back seat is in excellent shape. All the vinyl around the engine room as well. Very well cared for. Boat has a ton of documentation. I didn't mention it, but we do have 5-place intercom with headsets with this boat as well. She's got a lot of options. Under the back seat, we're going to take a look at the switches. Got your plug-in battery charger. Side gunnel storage. Shorepower button right there. Another clean example. Our full listing, along with all of our boats for sale, can be seen at grandsportscenter.com. We do update daily. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 847-458-6488. As always, thank you for watching.